In this video, I'm gonna guide you how to show Spotify on your Discord activity. To begin, launch your Discord app and click on your user settings located at the bottom left corner. From there, navigate to connection section in the left-hand menu. Next, select Spotify from the list, which will redirect you to Spotify login page. Sign in with your Spotify account to link it to Discord. Once connected, enable for this option, display on profile. Now I can head back. After this setup, start playing a song on Spotify and you should notice your Spotify status displayed next to your profile icon in Discord. If it's not working right away, click on user settings again, scroll down to registered games and click on it. Then click the add it button, select Spotify from the drop down menu and press add game. Once you do this, you should see Spotify listed as a registered games. Close this window, click on your profile icon and your Spotify status should now be visible. That's it. This guide was helpful. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.